each and every physical quantity has its unit and dimension. Unit and dimension. Therefore, dimension of physical quantity is defined as dimension. Dimension of any physical quantity is the power by which derived unit is expressed in terms of fundamental unit. Dimension of any physical quantity, any physical quantity is the power by which derived unit is expressed. Derived unit is expressed in terms of fundamental unit. Fundamental unit. The dimension of in dimension 5 physical quantity are used: mass, length, time, temperature, and electric current. The dimension of mass, length, time, temperature, and electric current. Mass, length, time, temperature, and electric current is M, L, T, K, N, I or A. Dimension of current is either I or A. The ratio, the unit, the digit, and the digit and ratio of same physical quantity. The digit and ratio of same physical quantity. Same physical quantity are dimensionless. Dimensionless. Now we write the dimension of some physical quantity. Starting from area. Dimension of some physical quantity. Dimension of some physical quantity. First, area. L square formula. डायमेंशन और यूनिट लिखने में फॉर्मूला का यूज होता है. एरिया L square L2. It is also written M is absent, therefore it is written M to the power 0 L2 T0. Volume LQ और M0 LQ T0. Speed और velocity. Distance by time. L by T, LT power -1. Dimension always written in power. Acceleration, change in velocity by time. Change in velocity Lt minus 1 time t, Lt minus 2. Linear momentum, linear momentum, mass into velocity, mass m, velocity Lt minus m, Lt minus 1. Force, mass into acceleration, mass m, acceleration Lt minus 2. Therefore dimension of force is mLt minus 2. Work, force into displacement, force into displacement, force ml t minus 2, displacement l. Therefore unit of force work is ml2 t minus 2. Unit of work, energy, heat is same. Work, energy and heat is same. That is ml2 t minus 2. Power, work and power. Work, rate of doing work, work by time. Work ml2 t minus 2 by t, m l2 t minus 3. Density, mass by volume, mass m, volume lq, m l minus 3. Pressure, force by area, force ml t minus 2, area l2, m l minus 1 t minus 2. Moment of inertia, moment of inertia, mass into distance square, m, mass into distance square, ml2. Surface tension, force by length, force mlt minus 2 by length l, mt minus 2. Surface tension, force by length. Impulse, force into time, force ml t minus 2 into time t, ml t minus. Dimension of impulse is same as dimension of linear moment, ml t minus 1. Gravitational constant, gravitational constant, capital G, G equal to F R square by M1 M2. F ml t minus 2 RL2 m cancel m minus 1 L3 t minus 2. Coefficient of viscosity. Coefficient of viscosity. Eta equal to Fx by Ab, where F force, x distance, A area, V velocity, m L t minus 2 L L2 L t minus 1 m L minus 1 t minus 1. Specific heat. It is denoted by S. H equal to ms delta T, or S equal to H by m delta T, where H heat, m mass, and delta T temperature difference. Unit of heat is same as work, ml2 t minus 2. Temperature difference, dimension of temperature difference is K. Therefore dimension of specific heat is ml2 t minus is L2 t minus 2 K minus 1. Thermal conductivity. It is denoted by sigma. Sigma equal to Hx by A theta 1 minus theta 2 into T, where H is heat, x thickness, A area, T time, theta 1 minus theta 2 temperature difference. H ml2 t minus 2, dimension of thickness is L A L2 K T, m L t minus 3 K minus 1. Charge Q, I equal to Q by T. Q equal to IT. Its dimension is IT. Electric field. Specific heat, thermal conductivity, charge. 19. Electric field E equal to F by Q, force by charge. Force, dimension of force is ml2 t minus ml t minus 2 by it ml t minus 3 I minus electric potential V equal to work by charge. Work ml2 t minus 2 charge it ml2 t minus 3 I minus 1. Resistance R, V equal to IR, therefore R equal to V by I. V ml 2 t minus 3. From Ohm's law, V equal to IR, therefore R equal to V by I. Dimension of V is ml2 t minus 3 I minus 1, and the dimension of I is I, then ml2 t minus 3 I minus 2. Frequency nu equal to 1 by t inverse. Planck constant K, it is denoted by H equal to H nu, H equal to E by nu, where E is energy and nu is frequency. ml2 t minus 2 t minus 1 ml2 t minus 1. Angular velocity, omega equal to theta by t. Angular acceleration, alpha equal to d omega by dt, t to the power minus 2. Linear momentum, L, it is denoted by L equal to I omega. I is moment of inertia and omega is angular velocity. ml2 t minus 1.